Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a note now. Open Notes and tap the new note icon. On Mac, press CMD+N. Begin by naming your note at the top so it's easy to find later. Once done, pick the folder or iCloud location to keep it synced across devices. This matters because it decides where it appears. Make sure permissions for iCloud notes are enabled in settings so changes upload automatically, and start typing a clear header to structure the content. Now you'll add structure and media. Tap the toolbar to insert checklists for tasks, tables for quick data, or the camera to scan documents and add photos. You'll see why visual context helps recall. Once inserted, drag items to reorder sections and use headings or bold text to separate ideas. On iPad, use Apple Pencil to sketch directly. This keeps diagrams in line. Later, open Attachments view to find every image or scan. Finish by sharing and securing the note. Tap Share to invite collaborators and choose Edit or View Permissions so everyone sees the right version. Then lock sensitive notes with a password and enable Face ID or Touch ID for fast access. This protects private content. If something goes wrong with syncing, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or toggle notes off and on in iCloud settings. This forces a fresh sync and usually resolves missing notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.